Hi, this is Ancient Shepherd. Today I'm going to use the object math and to complete a project like make multiple turtle to draw a picture for my daughter. So the first of all it is object math. What are the object math? In Java, when we try to take the action, we call math. And typically speaking, we do have object math. We might have instant math, or we also have another scenario called class math. That is what we will learn today. But today we are more focused on the object. So we are going to use the turtle. So we are going to call object math is the turtle math. So here we go. Before we are going to set out with anything, we are gonna to define our math. And when we are trying to define the math, let's look on the first top one. This is have the public, void, and the drawing. What are those names? The first of all, on the public is gonna to represent as the visibility. When we see the visibility, it's just like the way we use the Facebook. It's gonna to say out public, like me, everybody can see the program. Another one, it is private, just like when we say out on Facebook, like is the picture or the message only certain level of the essays, certain level of people can see it. And so today we use the public. And the second one, this one is called return type. Return type is kind of like what is the type of a thing to return. But in today our case, there is nothing return, so we use the keyword void. The last one, this one is the math name. And the math name is kind of like the way how we are gonna to draw, such like draw square. And usually on the name, we start with a lowercase, and after that, it is the uppercase on each additional word. And because the way the program set up, today I'm going to use the draw square for the different design I have here. So I'm going to try the couple things today. One is with the parameter, and another one is without parameter. And you can see the compare with those two. One without the parameter is we already say all the number, including the pen width, including the step, and we already pull those into the programming. And another one is parameter. We did not say out a certain number, so by the time we do, we are going to put the parameter number, and I will show you how to do so. Now, the one we are going to do right now, we are going to declare our reference variable. So we are going to have the class name and versus with all the object with all the class name. So first of all, we are going to use our class name, which is the word, because we are going to create a word. And I'm going to create a word P represent piece equal a new, which is new. Our new class is belong to word. And after this, we can type this one. When we type this one, it's gonna to default give us the value. It is the 460 by it's going to default the screen have 800 gonna to have 680 to 400 by 480. But today, since this is a small project, I'm going to say on my words value become 320 and 240. So I just declare my reference variable. Now I'm going to declare my second reference variable, which is my turtle. So since I'm going to use a different turtle to help me on this project, so I'm going to name, to simplify, I'm going to put my turtle as a turtle A equal new class. And new class, and I'm going to put the value. I'm going to see, okay, since I'm going to draw a picture, probably I want to start from the most left side, and on the top, that's where I'm going to draw my picture. So I'm going to put the location position gonna to be the first X value. I probably going to put as 15, and the Y value I probably going to also put 15, and I'm gonna to put under P as where my word gonna to be. Now we are gonna to look on the picture. Yeah, we see our turtle is over here. Now we are going to make our turtle to draw my first square, which is without parameter. Let's see how that command going to be. Now we see our turtle, which is turtle A, really exactly draw the color is a yellow with the pen width 4, and each side is gonna to be 12. So now we are going to make our another turtle to do the another job, and to show how the picture going to be. I'm going to create another reference variable, which is my turtle B. And this time I'm going to say out their location, maybe about on the 30 and the 30. And on the P. Oh, definitely Java is very case and character sensitive. So if I miss anything, they will tell me it is an incomplete expression. So we are going to type it right again. Let's see where our turtle going to be. Wow, it's over here. So definitely do not have a lot of room for the turtle B to draw a picture. So since I set out with the parameter, this time I'm gonna to lay my turtle to, I'm going to adjust my square, my shape with a little bit thinner pen width and with a small step. So this is how I'm going to do it. I'm going to tell B to use my mask name, and I'm going to set out the value and use my parameter to set out the value. So the first one I'm going to set out with 1, and the width, since it is small, I probably will tell my turtle to only do 5. Let's make a small bit on this one. Yeah, so you can see my turtle is over here, but you cannot really see so clear. So I'm going to hide I'm going to tell my turtle A and my turtle B to hide it. So we will see how to hide it. So we will see how the picture gonna to look like. And this is how the picture gonna to be. Now you can see my turtle is disappeared. Again, if I want to see them, I just If I want to see my turtle again, I just tell them show. Now I'm going to use my turtle C and B and use the same way to create to declare the reference the declare different reference variable and to show how the picture gonna to do. Since my square 3 and my square since my square 3 and my square 4 I use the different math, I told Liz, which is the general speaking for the title when we use the title math. And I'm going to tell them, say, oh, what I'm going to do is when I have to turn 60, and what am I gonna to do if I use the degree as a negative? So this is just a simple, easy experiment to see how my turtle gonna to respond to me. So let's create titles. We are going to create turtle C on this point. And this time, I don't want to tell where my turtle C gonna to be at. I just wanna my turtle C in the center of the word. So I just do not type anything. Again, the reason I have so many error message is because on the square 3 I set up with the parameter. When I did not type any parameter, that's when the error message come. So let's gonna to do again, and we are gonna to say out the we are going to say out, and because we did not put our variable. We did not tell turtle say we are gonna to stay in the word P. So we are going to do it. It is not regarding for the parameter. I'm sorry for that mistake. Because definitely I did not put the value on it. So let's see on the picture, we see our turtle C is over here. Then we are going to use our parameter this time, and I'm going to make a bigger, thicker shape. So this time we can see the shape, the line is way thicker and the step is bigger. So I can put different turtle on the different spot, and it's gonna to represent with a different color, with different shape, and become a picture. Now let's see what we are going to do if my turtle try to draw with something have negative degree. Again, this time I'm going to move away from the area, so we will see how our turtle D going to draw. So I'm going to say with 200 and maybe a little bit lower, and on the word P. It's a pretty good place. Now I'm going to see does my turtle D gonna to draw a picture, gonna to draw with the right process the right if we do have any degree is negative. And I'm going to use the thinner line again, and draw another picture. Let's see what's wrong with the one when we do it. When we design the turtle D, we tell D, draw a square. The 4. Definitely when I will say out the program and they do not, there is a typo. So that's why when I was trying to tell my turtle to do some action, to do the math, and it's not listening to me. So let's see how my picture going to be. Again, it look like our turtle make like the picture cannot really see what's going on. So let's going to make the turtle disappear. So let's see how the picture gonna to look like. So we can see we do have a beautiful picture over here with a different shape and with a different color, and we can use this and to do it. The good thing when we are using the turtle math is we can preset everything, so we don't have to continually to copy paste, and we can set out with a different parameter. So we can set out with a different parameter, so the turtle can continually do the same job, but kind of give us some adjustment, allow us to present the different product. So we can see again, we can see here, we can see they do have a different location, different shape, and different lengths. So this is kind of flexibility. We can use this function to do a lot. Again, this is the whole with the turtle math. We can set out with different math name, and we use our title to do it. To do different, we can say out with a different reference variable, which is our title, to perform the different maths. So thank you for your time, and this is my turtle drawing to show you. And we also know the turtle will able to move on the negative degree. Thank you so much, and have a great night.